Hey y'all, hey, so this client actually found me on YouTube and I almost turned her away because she told me she had shampooed her hair the night before. And you guys know, if you don't, well, you cannot or should not relax your hair within 72 hours of shampooing it because you can irritate the scalp and the relaxer will burn. So first I'm just doing a rough cut. She did have some problem areas, so I wanted to cut it before I relax it and make sure that the hair lays down. It's always best to cut the hair first before you relax it. And I'm kind of giving her a cut so that her, the parts that's thin, it's not gonna show too much and I'll be able to hide them. So when I was like, girl, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do your hair, she was like, oh, I don't care, it's my birthday. So I was like, okay. I did have to have her sign a waiver, waiving all liability on myself after I explained to her the possible risk of me doing her relaxer and her just recently shampooing her hair. She didn't have a problem signing it. I typed it up real quick, emailed it to her through Vagaro, and we went from here. So I am basing her hair and I'm doing it really, really well, so that her scalp is fully coated, and then I let the base sit. So once I'm starting the relaxer, you can see that I am carefully putting the relaxer on her hair and not on her scalp. A lot of times people tell me that they are sensitive to relaxer and stuff like that, and I'm like, you probably not really sensitive to relaxer. Your stylist is just probably going right in and putting that relaxer on your scalp. So by the time she even gets halfway done, it's burning already. So there's no need to put the relaxer on the scalp. Now it will get on the scalp, especially once we start smoothing, but I'm not literally putting it on her scalp. I'm avoiding that area. And also you can see that I'm using a comb and not a brush or the brush that I use, because I actually want to comb the relaxer through the hair. And the comb that I'm using is Made Life's Collection Carbon Comb, and that comb is on sale. Well, actually it's marked down right now. And I believe it's marked down to $2.99, and the reason for that is because I did change my brand colors for the salon. So blue is not one of the colors anymore, so I'm just trying to get rid of those combs, and I'm actually going to mark them down again for $1.99 this week. So I'm doing the smoothing process, and it's the same thing. If you can see her part, it's clean. There is no relaxer on her scalp because it's not necessary. This is the final smooth down. I asked her, was she tingling or anything? She said no. You can see the hair is straight. There is a little bit of relaxer on her scalp, but I didn't intentionally put it there. And here we are. So now I am finishing up the cut. She's been shampooed, conditioned, all of that stuff. And now I'm just cleaning up the cut before we get started with the mold. I did not mind, showing some of the cut, but as far as going into complete details, you guys can book a class. We can do virtual. You can come in the salon and do a one-on-one. All of that information is in the description box. Just go to mainlifestudio.com. And like when I'm showing you, we'll definitely do sections and things like that. But I've been doing this so long, so I don't need to do all of that. So we are starting her mold with Main Life's collection, Main Mint Foam. Grab that at mainlifestudio.com. It should be back in stock by the time this video is released. So just give me a moment, y'all. And we have that in coconut, and we also have mint, and then we have travel size in mint as well. And I'm just doing her little razzle dazzle around her hairline, just making it real cute. And then once I'm done molding, she's going to go under the dryer for about 45 minutes, and we'll start the curling. Alright, so this is the mold. This is how it came out, and she's going under the dryer. Alright, y'all, she's back from under the dryer. I forgot to record when I would put the main glaze on there, but I did use the main glaze. It's adds some shine, and it is a heat protectant as well. And I used just a teeny bit of Main Life's collection main oil, and the flat iron I'm using is Main Life collection as well. And I'm pretty much just curling in opposite directions. Sometimes the hair won't go in the opposite direction. Don't force it, just let the hair do what it wants to do, and that's what I'm doing. So this is the finished look. Hopefully she comes back so we can get the hair nice, healthy, and strong. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to be notified, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.